All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with a familiar face to our collision repair. Well, maybe not a face, but you've seen his writing for sure. How are you doing, Stefano? How's the
I'm I'm doing well. Show's going really good for me.
show? Right on. So you've been I've been seeing you circulating around the whole show floor, looking at a lot of stuff. What have you been seeing this show? What do you see as the story this year?
I see a lot of soft entry for EVs, and I'm seeing a lot of bodies on white that are EVs with the batteries removed, and I'm seeing a lot of lifts for EV batteries, and I'm seeing a lot of welders and the traditional measuring and all the shop equipment that we need to utilize in our repairs.
Right on, right on. And obviously, you're heavily involved in training and whatnot. When you see these some of these new pieces of technology, what do you see is coming down the pipeline for students and that sort of thing?
Well, I see a lot of the application for jigs. I'm seeing a lot of application for racks, and I'm seeing a lot of application for measuring and the importance of it and why it is what it should be out there and how they should be using it. And I think in training, you're going to see a lot of more force, more attention applied to measuring and using these systems, along with the ADAS calibration networks that they got out there, and starting to repair cars properly and getting it right the first time. And I think that's where our focus is going to go.
Right on. That's excellent. And what do you got going on today? What are you trying to look forward to today?
Today I'm looking at some more of the welders and more of the measuring systems. I'm going to investigate more what's out there. I noticed that there are some offshore applications that are not as familiar, and let's see what they're about and maybe learn a bit more about what's possibly out there for everybody.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, and now maybe let's talk a little bit about your column. What can our readers maybe expect from you in the next coming year? What's got your mind occupied?
My mind, well, it's constantly occupied. So you're probably going to see a lot more just as it is and how it should be applications in my writing. You're going to see a lot more of the reality. There's no sugarcoating. I'm going to put it out there, and hopefully people will start to get the message about how cars are supposed to be repaired and some of the changes that should be coming down our pipeline. Keeping our shops filled properly, keeping our staff employed properly, and keeping them um, compensated properly, and making sure that our shops are getting paid for and doing the things that need to be done, and making it a process where everyone's, um, how do you say, everybody's treated fairly, equitably, and everything's done properly. That's my goal. That's all I want to see.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, everything done properly and no sugarcoating. That is why we like you, Stefano. Thank you so much. You have a good rest of your
Thanks,
day.
Max.
Appreciate it.